Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a session on energy estimation. Before entering into the energy estimation, first let us see what is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. The food what we are consuming will burn inside our body and releases energy. The energy released can be in the form of chemical energy, thermal energy and mechanical energy. These energy are helpful for doing various metabolic reactions inside our body and also for doing various physical activities. Now let us see the unit of energy. The energy value of food is expressed in kilocalories. The definition for the kilocalorie is 1 kilocalorie is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water by 1 degree centigrade from 14.5 degrees centigrade to 15.5 degrees centigrade. So in this definition, we can able to see that the amount of heat energy usually required to increase the temperature of 1 kg of water is defined as 1 kilocalorie. The unit of energy usually will be expressed in kilocalories. Now let's see the determination of energy value of food. The determination of energy value of food can be done in two ways. One is direct calorimetry and another one is indirect calorimetry. In direct calorimetry, the instrument used for the determination is bomb calorimeter. In indirect calorimetry, the instrument used to determine the energy value of food is Benedict's oxycalorimeter. In this session, we are going to see about the direct calorimetry. Before entering into the direct calorimetry, let's see the principles of direct calorimetry. Chemical changes that occur when carbohydrate or fat is oxidized during respiration in the body. So whatever the food we are consuming, whether if it's a carbohydrate food or fatty food, when it gets oxidized inside our body with the help of the oxygen, certain chemical changes will take place. That same chemical changes occur when the food is burnt in air also. The amount of energy released or expended is measured by the heat produced. So the total energy released will be measured by the heat produced by that food substance. Now let's see the determination of energy value of food by direct calorimetry. The amount of energy released from foods can be obtained by measurement of heat produced when food is burnt in air. And usually in our body, when the food gets burnt with the help of the oxygen, energy will be released. In the same way, by using this bomb calorimeter, when the food is burnt inside this instrument bomb calorimeter, the heat released by burning that food will be determined, and that will tell us how much energy value of food produced by the same food substance. This is called as the bomb calorimeter. The outer layer of the bomb calorimeter is called as the insulating jacket and the inner layer is called as the bucket. So in between the insulating jacket and the bucket, the space is called as the air space. And inside the bucket, the 3/4 of the bucket should be filled with water. The 3/4 should be usually filled with the water before going for determining the energy value of food. And this one is called as the bomb. Inside that is called as the bomb. This one is called as the bomb. And inside the bomb, you will have the crucible which contains the sample. Before placing the sample should be weighed. It should be weighed. Usually 2 grams of the sample can be weighed or 1 gram of the sample can be weighed, and it should be placed in the crucible, and with the help of the ignition wires, these two are called as the ignition wires, and these will be connected along with the coils. So when this ignition wires is fixed along with the coils, so this is called as the oxygen supply valve, and the oxygen will be supplied through this valve. So only this valve will be open, except that all the other valves on the top should be closed. So when the oxygen supply is there means, then automatically with the help of this ignition wires, the food sample will get burnt. So before burning the food sample, the initial temperature of the water should be noted down. That temperature should be noted down by using the thermometer. Then after burning the sample or during burning of the sample releases some heat, and that heat will be absorbed by the water which is present inside the bucket. So if the heat gets increased, automatically the temperature of the thermometer will get increased. So now we can see the difference in the temperature in the thermometer. So the initial temperature was already noted down before burning the sample, and now after burning the sample, the water will absorb all the heat, and due to the absorption of the heat, the temperature of the water will get increased, and that will be noted down by using this differential thermometer. So now we are going to see the calculation part of this bomb calorimeter. In this you can see the weight of the food sample or food substance taken is 2 grams. So already I have told you the weight of the food substance before going for placing in the crucible, it should be weighed. So here the weight of the food substance taken is 2 grams. The weight of the water in the bucket is 3500 grams. So the 3/4 of the water in the bucket should be filled, and before that should be weighed. Then the initial temperature of the water should be noted by using the thermometer. So here the initial temperature of the water is 24 degrees centigrade. After the food gets burnt, the increase in the temperature will be noted down. So the final temperature of the water is 26 degrees centigrade. So the rise in the temperature of water is the final temperature minus initial temperature will gives you the rise in the temperature of water. So here the rise in the temperature of water is 2 degrees centigrade. Now we are going to calculate the heat gained by the water in calorimeter. So this is nothing but the weight of the water in the bucket 3500 into increase in the temperature, that is rise in the temperature is 2 degrees centigrade. That will gives you the kilocalories, that is 7000 kilocalories. So if 2 grams of food substance is burnt in the bomb calorimeter, it will release us 7000 calories. And these calories usually already we have seen energy can be expressed in the kilocalories. So this calories can be converted into kilocalories. So 7000 divided by 1000 will gives you the 7 kilocalories. Now you can see 2 gram of the food substance will produce 7 kilocalorie. Therefore 1 gram of food produces 3.5 kilocalories. So by using this calculation, we can able to find out the amount of energy released by the food substance. So from this we can derive this energy value of each nutrients. That is, the energy value derived from bomb calorimeter is as follows. 1 gram of carbohydrate yield 4.10 kilocalorie. 1 gram of protein will yield 5.65 kilocalorie. 1 gram of fat will give 9.45 kilocalories. So these are all the energy which is measured by using the bomb calorimeter. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you.